My people, if you know you like to eat fried rice and most times you might not have money to buy your turkey and your chicken, gather here, let me teach you how to prepare fried rice with mackerel fish or any type of fish you can lay your hands on. Hello everyone, it's your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. So today I'm going to be preparing this fried rice with mackerel fish. On the table I have the ingredients for this our special fried rice. Here I have 2 cups of rice. I've already washed it. I have my mackerel fish here. I've deboned and seasoned. Groundnut oil. I just saw these little shrimps in my freezer. I have the sweet corn, onions, spring onions. I have ginger and garlic powder here, curry, thyme, salt, some white pepper, bouillon cube, red pepper, carrots. You know I like my food to be hot and spicy, so I'm using this Cameroon pepper. Then I have my yellow pepper and my green bell pepper. So let's cook together. First of all, I'll start by taking the rice to the fire to be cooking while I prepare the vegetables. The heat is on. I'm just adding some oil in the pot. I'm adding bouillon cube. I'm adding one. I'll use one later. I'm adding some curry powder. You know we don't have meat stock for this food. I'm adding thyme. I'm adding salt. Then I'll add the washed rice. So I've added the rice. You stir for like 3 minutes to allow the ingredients to fuse into the rice. So after this, I will now add water for the rice to cook. But I'll test for salt. Okay, for now the salt is okay. So I'll just cover the pot for the rice to start cooking. You know we don't use too much water for rice. It's the steam that cooks the rice very well. So I'll cover it on a low heat and allow it to cook. So the rice is boiling. I'll now chop my vegetables. I've cleaned the carrots, so I'll cut it to the size I want. I like my food to be hot and spicy, so I'll use just this one Cameroon pepper. I've already washed this also, so I just deseed them and chop. So the rice is cooked now. I'll pour it in a sieve so that it will stop cooking. It's like 95% cooked. Behind camera, I added water. Apart from that initial water I added more water to enable it to cook very well. So I'll keep stirring it so that the hotness will go away and it will stop cooking. So the rice is out of the fire now and it's somewhere cooling. I'll add some oil to fry the fish and the shrimps. The fish is already seasoned. I used the curry, thyme, Maggi, white pepper, onion powder and fish spice to season so it will have taste. Also did same with the shrimps. I've added the shrimps now to allow it to fry. Just keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt until it's fried. So the fish is okay. I'll just take it out from the heat now. So add in some more oil in here. Add the onions. I'm adding the carrot. Carrot takes some time to cook because it's hard, so you always add it first when you're cooking anything that has to do with carrots. Green and yellow bell pepper. Red pepper. I'm adding the sweet corn. At this junction, I'll add my bouillon cube, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and garlic powder, some curry powder, thyme, black pepper, then some salt so it will have taste too. The aroma here is something else. So I will now add in the rice and stir. This is our fish fried rice. If you don't have money to buy chicken, turkey, goat meat, and no stock, I'm adding the fried fish and shrimps now. See how our fish fried rice is looking? You don't have to break the bank because you want to eat fried rice. I'll test for salt now, then I'll adjust. I'll just add some little more salt so that it will be enough. Then spring onions. Fish fried rice is ready. Please, if you have not liked this video up till this moment, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and keep watching. Just keep watching to give me some hours. Our fish fried rice is ready. So I'll turn off the heat now so that it doesn't get overcooked. I'll see you in my next video. Let me get my plate to serve and eat.